Hello everyone and welcome to Easy English with Joanna. Today we are going to learn a new idiom. As usual, I will give you a hint. It involves a page. Remember, I help Spanish speakers sound natural and confident in English. So like, share and subscribe for more easy to follow lessons. Now, back to our idiom. To be on the same page, which means agreeing or understanding something in the same way. Now let's see how we can use this idiom in context. Meet Alex and Jamie. Alex is a team leader and Jamie is a marketing specialist. All right, Jamie, let's go over the campaign strategy one more time. I just want to make sure we're on the same page before we finalize everything. Of course. So we're focusing on LinkedIn ads targeting mid-level professionals, right? Exactly. Plus, we're emphasizing engagement over direct sales in the first phase. Got it. And after that, we start introducing our product more directly? Yes. Are we on the same page on the budget as well? Yeah. $5,000 for ads and $2,000 for content creation. That's what we agreed on. Great. Then it means we are on the same page. I'll send out the final outline and we're good to go. What you've just seen in this dialogue are 3 examples of how this idiom is used in real-life professional conversations. As a statement to clarify understanding, I just want to make sure we're on the same page. As a question to check for agreement, are we on the same page? And as another statement to confirm agreement. This means we're on the same page. Well, being on the same page means agreeing on understanding things in the same way. In this same context, not being on the same page means not having the same understanding or agreement, suggesting confusion or miscommunication between the 2 people. Now it's your turn. Let me know in the comments below, when's the last time you were on the same page with someone at work? And also, let me know what other topics you'd like to see made into easy to follow lessons on my channel. Remember to like, share and subscribe for more. And thank you for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. See you in the next video.